Daisy walks into the room. Friends are learning. Afternoon. Big loud voices make a noise. Let's be gentle, girls and boys. When I want to talk and share, I can show my friends I care. Soft and calm is what I choose. That's the voice I like to use. Story time is starting now. Let's remember when and how. We can talk and we can play, using kind words every day. Teacher smiles and friends can hear. Every word is nice and clear. When we're calm and speak just right, learning feels so fun and bright. Inside voice, soft and sweet. Inside voice, quiet feet. Listen, learn, and take your turn. Inside voice helps us learn. Daisy says, let's use our inside voice today.